How to color grade videos in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and start a new project by selecting your preferred aspect ratio. Next, import the video clip you want to color grade by tapping the media option and selecting your file. Once the video is on the timeline, tap on the clip to open the editing menu. Scroll through the options and tap on adjustment or color filters. This is where you can start enhancing the colors of your video. You can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, and warmth to give your video the desired look. For a more advanced color grade, use the filters option where KineMaster provides preset looks like cinematic tones, vintage styles, or cool and warm moods. Slide through these filters and apply the one that best fits your video style. If needed, fine-tune the intensity of the filter to keep your video natural or dramatic based on your preference. After adjusting, preview the video to see the effect. You can always go back and tweak the settings until you are happy with the result. Finally, once you are satisfied, tap on the export button to save your professionally color graded video in high quality. Now you know how to color grade videos in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.